In Operations Center, to download old files, select More, select Files, select your date range, custom date range, select a starting point, select an ending point for the files you would like to view, scroll down and select the file type, documentation, and then select the field that you would like to view. I can now see the available files uploaded to the system for that specific field. So I can see I have 2020 files along with 2019 and 2018. In order to view some older files, you may have to go to archived files to view some of the previous files as well. Should be able to go back further, select some of the older files, and then make them available to be able to download those once you are back in available status. Select the files you would like to download, and then select Download.